distinguished guests, and the teachers, academicians who are associated with this webinar. Principal Sahab asked me to be associated with this webinar at the time of inauguration. I told him that your webinar is dedicated to the contribution of science and technology to combat the problem of COVID-19, and my specialization is education. I am not from science background, so I am not a right person to be the chief guest of this webinar. But anyhow, being the Vice Chancellor of this university, I was given this responsibility. So I want to share my few observations with this august gathering. As far as science and technology is concerned, it has to play a very important role in the life of everyone. Whatever progress is seen in this world, more or the less, it is a contribution of science and technology. But the role of science and technology becomes more crucial when such type of epidemic or any extraordinary situation takes place. Science and technology do not tell us only what to do, but they also tell us how to do. It is true, if there is any problem, it was just, you can say, coming from nature side. Sometime it comes, you can say it is a man-made. The science and technology has always come forward to tackle that issue with the most degree of commitment. As a teacher, when we are facing the problem of COVID-19, science and technology has given us new dimensions. Now, in last 2 months, every teacher is thinking that his role has changed. Students are also paying attention that they have to go for alternative modes. To one hand, science and technology is trying hard to develop vaccines, to develop medicines, to provide proper care in the hospitals. For that, our doctors and scientists are fighting out. On the other hand, this science and technology is also opening a new vista for those who are associated with the different fields of life. As far as the higher education is concerned, now the scenario looks entirely changed. It is a paradigm shift, and now it looks that we have to be more friendly to the science and technology, and whatever opportunities are being provided by the technology, that has to be used in our education system to the maximum level. Only this much I will say, that in 21st century, conventional system of education has to face a lot of challenges. That type of system will not exist now when a mature person will come in the classroom to deal so-called some immature students of the class. Now, everyone is fulfilled with the potentials. It is a duty of our education system to prepare automated learner. These automated learners will be self-paced, self-controlled, self-directed. If we have to prepare self-controlled, self-directed, self-managed automated learners, then the role of technology becomes very crucial. I am sure that the experts who are associated with this webinar will definitely talk about the experiments which are taking place in different labs to tackle out this problem, but they will also focus on these issues. What are the challenges coming before the higher education system of this globe, and with the help of science and technology, how we will be able to tackle this issue. Only with these words, I wish that this webinar not only here takes a platform of interaction, but such type of concrete suggestions will come out from this interaction, so that the system of higher education will be benefited to plan future plan to deal the problems of teachers and students of higher education too. Thank you very much inviting me here, and I will be happy to now listen from the experts what they are going to interact. Thank you very much, please.
Thank you so much, sir. That was Professor Anil Shukla, sir, our Vice Chancellor. Sir, it was a real pleasure hearing you. And even if you're not the man of science, but I believe with your experience and your blessings, everything is going to be done by us. You are supposed to be at the head of the family at the moment, so your blessings mean a lot to us. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.